Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah for the day, alhamdulillah for life. Guys, my name is Reese from Spray Tech. Welcome back to a new video.
Good morning. What do we have going on?
Not much actually. I think it's mostly just painting today. I'm spunking all over this car. Luke's installing the rad over there.
This was a real hard front ender. Really hard. Second time in exactly the same spot, near side front. This shouldn't have been put back together. This should have been broken spares and like. And a real. Took the inner wing, inner flitch, it took the chassis, all down there. Yeah. This is the best you can get the alignment. That's not too bad there. But check the gap there. It's a freaking inch. Damn! Real bad.
Always make a quality brew, mate. You need sugar? Hey, I can load the. I'll load you some sugar up, kid. Best tea ever. Yeah. If you was using that to clean the cups every day, you'd be going through like 2 bottles in 2 days.
That's why it's there.
It's expensive, bro.
What? What the fuck?
So I don't even pay for it, but. Half sugar.
And you put 3 in there.
Yeah, there's like 3 scoops in there. I'm not that bad on them though, I don't.
What rules your kids would bring in if they were in charge of the country? People coming out of the radio and saying what is on genuine.
A brand new from, say, like VW, or do you want a second-hand wing? Yeah, cheaper, yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Structurally, it's all sound. We've got the chassis done. Wheels, you should have seen the wheel that was bad, so we had to get a new wheel.
Yeah, the radar, has it, do you know if it's had an ADAS? Do you know, like the calibration, has it had that?
I don't know.
It's probably because of that. So a bumper off, or if the radar's moved, something like that, you need to do a proper calibration on it. So it might just be the fact that you just need a calibration, which you can do.
So it's a Tuesday morning. Customers come in with their A-class. What did he want?
He so basically he's brought a car from Birmingham. I think it's a recorded car, might be a Cat N or something like that, but they've bodged it basically. They've put wood screws and washers in the headlight to secure the headlight.
Nice.
So all the arch liner and that's all held together by wood screws and stuff like that. Proper done a bodge on it. Yeah, just be careful buying a car from Birmingham.
Installed now. I don't know if it's fully installed properly, but it's in. So yeah, that's where we're at today. Ah, there we go then. So. New steer. So yeah, I think we're still waiting on confirmation for this from the insurance to do it. And this is a front ender. This has took more than what you can see. With the inner supports must be gone now. Compared to that side's alright. So that job's more than what the eye can see. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah for the day, alhamdulillah for life.
Yes, Smoker, you enjoying your food? Nice.
You man ain't on that, bro. You man ain't got that team.
Doesn't matter, it can't be, it has to be in your yard, it's got no tax on.
So if it's on private property, does it not matter?
Yeah, we can under the 2008 Finance Act, yeah. So it doesn't matter, so with it being on private land, so we can deal with vehicles under the 2008 Finance Act on private land, unless it's motor vehicle. Now this road isn't registered as, this road isn't registered as motor vehicle. But obviously your grounds inside them out gates are. Right. Hey, you're good,
Yeah.
go for it,
Yeah.
no, you're right, you're in a public space.
It's
You're
got
more than
body
welcome
com on
to
and
it.
everything, yeah, as you say. Yeah, apparently it's under the 2008 Finance Act that even on private land you can still enforce DVLA rules and regulations. So if at yours, outside your premises, if you've got any untaxed vehicles, he's going to be coming round in a minute in a Toyota Aventus. He's got NSL, trusted outsourcing, working in partnership with central and local government on his car.
That's the one.
Yeah, he's here now.
I've got identification if you want to see it.
Yeah,
you're more than welcome. You can't record it though, but you're more than welcome.
Yeah.
So what it means, basically, the DVLA, the only ones that can, so private companies can't.
Yeah.
So although we're a private company, we're given the powers by the DVLA.
Okay, so you're a private company given the powers by the DVLA.
By the DVLA, yeah, that's why we have to carry them. So that's I have my NSL ID.
NSL, yeah.
It's an offence to display trade plates on a parked vehicle.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So how? So the question is.
Yeah. Go on.
So when I've got these vehicles.
Yes.
And they're inside my land.
Yes.
So that's all good.
Yeah, that's good.
That's all good.
Yeah.
When I bring something out.
Yeah.
To move something out, because obviously there's only so much space. Yeah. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
As soon as you come up. Then
you can enforce that
from it just being out for like 5 minutes and then thinking.
Yeah, it's with you.
Yeah. Oh, here they are now.
I'm a genuine guy.
Here they are now. They're coming for you now. These, I'd get off if I was you, man. They look at them. That walk. They look like they're in business. Look at them.
I'd rather be genuine honest with you than lie to you, feed you a load of rubbish, and then
look at them. Look at them.
Hi mate. I'm Joe, I'm one of the EOs.
I'm Jasper. Nice to meet you, mate.
Come out here, just make sure they're sawn, so it's a private road.
So they're all in the trade?
Yes, doesn't matter.
So it's on, isn't it on it's not private?
Private land, yeah, that's right.
Is this private land then?
Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
Oh, so cool.
But no, we're not.
Listen, get that up again.
His ID?
So, no, the VTL.
Yeah, the VTL. Yeah, lads, let's just get out of the way so we can... Yeah, lad, watch out, because we'll have to slap something on you in a minute.
Get in trouble for no reason.
Yeah.
So if you parked them out here with trade plates in and left them here, that's an offence. So it's an offence. You saw that. I don't need to get that back up. Yeah. It's an offence under the VTL to leave a vehicle.
What if I've just pulled up and I've just popped in the ground?
Oh mate, any vehicle.
So if you pull here and it's sawn, you're okay. If you pull here and it's untaxed, it's enforceable.
But if it's in the trade,
doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, mate.
Yeah,
and if
doesn't
it's been here for like a couple hours, you'll take it.
Yeah,
not even 1 minute.
If it's been here
if we pull it out now.
It's been here for 10 seconds and it's untaxed.
What's the resolution here then?
Yeah, there is. That's just. That's.
This is that. No, not really taking it.
No.
Just having you on.
That's just been given a warning.
He's giving you a warning. Yeah. Yellow card, mate.
Yellow card.
Yellow card.
Okay.
Next time.
Like I say, I'm a genuine guy. We're all human beings. I'd rather give you the information. But yeah, in answer to your question, if you pull out and you've been here for a minute and it's got no tax on, yes, it's enforceable.
You'll do nothing. You'll do fucking nothing. Get the fuck out of here!
I'm not able to run my business then.
Yeah.
So who do I need to contact?
That would be the DVLA. That's above my head.
So we can't even run it with trade plates?
What's brought you to this area then?
No. So you
What's brought you to this area, if you don't mind asking?
can't disclose that. We're on an operation, so.
Operation.
Yeah.
Wow.
We can't disclose.
The FBI.
That. Yeah. I wish. On my wages.
Yeah.
Lots of money for doing this sort of job.
Yeah, like I say.
So is it on commission? You must obviously make on commission.
Honestly, I wish it was.
If I need to sign some off, I don't mind.
So yeah, this is an untaxed vehicle, if you didn't know already, and it is an offence to and it's been reported to the DVLA. What have you guys got to say about that?
Just gonna carry on doing it. All right, buddies.
Should we ram him, shall we?
Put it on the back of your cars. This session.
Put it on the body shop builder.
Come on, G, you know how we do.
Yeah, boy.
Quite like driving this. I wish it was a manual though.
Thank you for watching Spray Tech, guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for our upcoming videos.